Sometimes you might discover the email you want to read are being sent to your spam in Gmail, and it includes my important emails as well. The way to rectify this is in the left hand navigation of your Gmail, you may need to click on more at the bottom of all your labels and scroll down a bit more until you find spam. Go ahead and click on that. And now any email showing up in your spam will be displayed. For example, this is an email that I want to get into my inbox every week. I don't want to miss it. So I have to do is check it, and then up here in the top navigation, click not spam. Now I get this nice little message that it's been moved to my inbox. And if I scroll back and up in to click on inbox, indeed, that's where it's gone. So that can help you if you noticed that you're getting emails from me that are going to spam and you don't want them to go there. Same process applies to any other email service you might be using, like Yahoo, Outlook, professional emails, etc. There's one more step I want all of you to take, and that is to go to the search bar in your Gmail or any other email you use and search for my name, Pankhuri, Pankhuri, and just take a minute and open all the emails I have sent you one by one. That ways Google will know that you are opening my emails and will never mark them spam or junk again. Do this and send a thumbs up on this video or message, and keep reading my emails coming directly from my heart to your heart. Peace.